Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. At the outset, I want to thank each and every one of you for the overwhelming support you have shown to your channel, Gita's kitchen, and it is a proud moment for us that our YouTube family has now grown to 6 lakh subscribers. So to celebrate this milestone, I'll be showing you a lovely sweet Moong Dal Halwa. But this is an instant one, so we'll make an instant Moong Dal Halwa Premix. Come, let's see how to do it. For this, I have taken 1 cup of yellow Moong Dal. I washed it thoroughly, drained out the water and just allow it to dry on the kitchen countertop. Now we'll take this in a dry pan and dry roast it over a low flame. First you dry roast it thoroughly till all the moisture goes away and the grains are separate. Continue roasting till it changes color lightly. Do it over a slow flame. We don't want to burn the dal. So just continue roasting like this till it slightly changes color. Now can you see it has slightly changed to a light reddish color. And the sights and sounds of cooking. See, hear this. The sound is different now when the pulse is dry. The color has changed. Also, you are getting a good aroma of the roasted dal. At this stage, we will switch it off. Spread it out on a plate to cool. Let it come down to room temperature. This halwa can be made either with sugar or jaggery. But I always prefer to use Jaggery as it is a healthier option. So for 1 cup of Moong Dal, we are taking 2 cups of this Jaggery powder. Whichever cup you take, I measured the Moong Dal with this. So with the same measurement, 1 and 1 more, 2 cups of Jaggery powder. And if you are using sugar also, use the same measurement. This is milk powder, any brand of milk powder you can take. I have taken 1/4 cup. Then about 2 tablespoons of Cashewnuts and 5 or 6 cardamoms I have here. So first let us dry roast the cashew nuts also and keep ready. See, our cashew nuts have also been lightly roasted. We'll switch it off and allow this also to cool down. See, our roasted moong dal has cooled down well. Now we'll transfer it into our mixie jar. Now I am adding this cardamoms also to this dal. And we'll now grind it into a powder. See, we have made it into a powder. It need not be very fine. It can be slightly coarse. Add this 1/4 cup of milk powder. And now we'll add this jaggery powder. I'll give you the link in the description box for this jaggery powder. It is very clean. So we'll add the jaggery powder also to it. Now just pulse it in the mixie 1 or 2 times so that they all get blended together very well. Don't run the mixie for too long. You don't want the jaggery powder to become wet. So just pulse it for a few seconds. See, we have pulsed all the ingredients together. Now transfer it into a bowl. Mix the roasted cashew nut pieces also to it. Mix everything well together once again. So now we have here the roasted moong dal powder, jaggery powder, cardamom powder and pieces of roasted cashew nut. Now transfer it to a clean dry box, whichever one you are storing it. So your instant halwa premix is now ready. You can store it like this and keep it on the countertop for about a month. For a longer shelf life, keep it in the fridge. You can store it for up to 3 months also. Now let's see how to make the halwa using this premix. Whatever quantity you want, you just take it out in a cup. Today I am just using this much. So I have taken 1 measure of this cup. Now using the same cup, measure out 2.5 cups of water. 1, 2.5. Now allow the water to heat and come to a boil. See, you can see the bubbles. It has just started boiling. At this stage, reduce the flame to sim and add this powder while stirring continuously. You are adding the premix, Moong Dal Halwa Premix, and stir it continuously till it all comes together after absorbing all the water. See, in about 6 or 7 minutes, you will find it starts thickening like this. We will just stir it a little more till all the liquid is absorbed and it reaches the halwa consistency. A few minutes more. See, now it has thickened well. At this stage, we will add some ghee to it and again just give it a good mix together. Be a bit generous with the ghee and add a little more, because Moong Dal Halwa always absorbs more ghee and it tastes good with a good quantity of ghee in it. See, when it reaches this consistency and it leaves the sides, switch it off, because on cooling it will thicken little more. See, I have transferred the halwa into this bowl and we are ready to serve it out now. See, excellent Moong Dal Halwa, perfect consistency. Just, I will take out a little bit and show you. Let's see how the consistency is. Beautiful, silky smooth and no lumps at all. Very delicious halwa. So simple and easy to make. You can make this instant halwa premix, store it and keep it ahead of time. So any celebration at home, be it a birthday, anniversary, or you have guests coming at home, or you have people at home who don't need a reason for eating sweets. Like uncle, he loves sweets at any time of the day, and then you can easily make this halwa using this premix just by boiling water and finally topping with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. So since uncle has a sweet tooth, very often I have to keep thinking of what sweet to make next, and recently he asked me for Moong Dal Halwa, and then I said I have to soak it and then grind it and then stir it for a long time, and that is how I came up with this recipe. I did a trial batch and the trial batch itself came out very well, and I said I must share this recipe with my viewers. So here we are, our instant halwa premix for all of you to taste and enjoy. Please share the recipe with your family and friends, and thank you once again for your overwhelming support to Gita's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.